Hi, there's Sebastian. Here I want to show you something that can help you get even better results. While copywriting truly is the backbone of growing a successful online business, the reality is your prospects will likely still judge a book by its cover, no matter how well written your sales message is. You see, great copy goes hand in hand with great graphic design. And together they're far more effective. The imagery in your pages and ads help inspire emotion, just like the words do. The design can further reassure your customers and inspire them to take action. When you use the right words with the right graphics, helping you get even better results. Images throughout your pages help pull people's attention to where you want them to put. And since every sale really just the journey that you've got your customers through, you want it to be completely clear to where they need to go next. The truth of the matter is, not everyone is going to read every word of your copy. Something as simple as the bullet point you choose can make a big difference, grabbing the attention of anyone who chooses to skim. Read your copy arrows, telling customers where to take action, or guarantee badges, telling visitors that not only is their payment secure, but that they can rest easy knowing that you're so confident in your product that you offer a money-back guarantee. Together, they add a feeling of legitimacy and professionalism to your sales pages that help people trust in you and your product and makes them more likely to purchase from you. Graphic designers can be costly, especially over an entire project between little elements and major pieces. A good designer could charge upwards of $2,500 for web design services. Not only that, but then you have to wait for them to complete their work, only to get it back and likely need revisions if their design isn't what you imagined. Or worse yet, their design isn't good enough quality to even use, leaving you to find another designer, wasting even more of your time. While you could go into a graphic design program like Photoshop and create the graphics yourself, that takes a lot of additional time to learn. I've tried this once before, creating something less than average, and then gave up, and that's not something I would recommend to anyone. And of course, there's the option of using stock image websites to get all the elements that you might need. But, you could spend hours and possibly even weeks searching site after site, trying to find the right images. And you still have to pay for the right to use each individual icon, bullet point, and button, only to end up with a mix and match looking website design. Either option is going to cost you lots of time and money and keep you from moving forward quickly in your business. But don't worry, we've got a solution for that. That's why we created our Mega Graphics Bundle, the Graphics Bundle, that gives you hundreds of original graphics to choose from and has everything you could ever want to get your pages launched and increase the effectiveness of your copy. Inside the huge graphics bundle, you'll find multiple template designs for squeeze pages, sales pages, and thank you pages. So no matter what your market is or who your audience is, you're sure to find the perfect design that's ready to use. Plus, we've included hundreds of smaller elements to personalize your pages, Facebook banners, video sales letters, as well as guiding your customers from opt-in page to your checkout page inside of the Mega Graphics Bundle. We have included 27 unique page templates based on pages that are already getting sales. Over 180 original bullet points to highlight your list and make skim readers stop to read. 13 different sections. Dividers to break up long sections, page header templates to show your branding, 49 different arrows to bring attention to where you want them. 45 action so your customers know where to buy. 31 guarantee badges to make buyers feel secure and reassured in their decision to buy from you. Over 20 Photoshop fonts to make your headline really stand out and get attention. Product mockups to increase the perceived value to your digital products and make customers want them, and a whole lot more. These are only a small part of what you get with the Mega Graphics Bundle. There are way too many graphics to list them all here. With the hundreds of design elements already gathered together, you'll avoid wasting time finding them yourself and needlessly spending money to have them designed for you. You'll be able to design yourself pages, squeeze pages, thank you pages, much faster and with much more ease. And most importantly, your copy will be presented more professionally, making it more effective as your customers feel reassured as they follow your sales message from headline to payment, removing resistance for your customers. Normally the Mega Graphics Bundle is $97, which is still just a fraction of what it would cost to hire a designer to build even one of the design elements you'll get with the Mega Graphics Bundle. I'm confident with the Mega Graphics Bundle, you'll increase your results dramatically for your business. I really want to help you get the absolute best results. So today I'm going to give you the Mega Graphics Bundle for a one-time payment of just $68. The special price is only available on so long the timer not hit zero, so once it hits zero, the price goes up, and you won't see this discounted price again. Inside the Mega Graphics Bundle, you'll get all the design elements to let you present your copy professionally to your audience, and guide their attention to what they really need to know to make a decision. Make your copy even more effective. All without wasting your time learning how to create these graphics and saving you tons of money and frustration that can come with paying a designer to do it for you. Because every design element you'll need is provided for a one-time price of just $68 today only. Inside the Mega Graphics bundle, not only are you going to get design elements, but you'll also receive the Photoshop files. So if you own Photoshop, you'll be able to customize your images even further should you wish to do so. This is completely optional and it's going to give you the ultimate in flexibility. So to take advantage of this offer right now and maximize the results of your sales message with the Mega Graphics bundle, go ahead and click the order button right now. So before you are so excited to jump in, I'm doing something very crazy. For only the first 24 hours, I will drop the price with 50% so you will get this all for a one-time payment of just $34. After the 24 hours, it will go up again to $68. So go ahead and click the order button right now.